Hello, 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 and good morning. I am Reverend Sharon Renee, and I want to welcome you to this week's Sunday Inspiration. And what I want to talk about today is where do we go from here? So we've just had our election, and there are lots of people that are really, really happy, and there are lots of people that are really, really in fear and really concerned about where things are going to go, not only in our world, but in our nation and into our communities and into our whole life in general. So there's a lot of fear that is happening. And there was a lot of fear going on before the election. And so what does this mean for us when we have this transition of what I'm going to call power? Remember that there is one power and one source in the universe, and that is God, right? But that power also lies within you and it fuels you. But the whole purpose, and one of the things that Jesus taught, was about serving others and serving humanity. So what can we do right now is, if you need to grieve, grieve, but be there for others, right? Be there for your community. Give what you have to give. Practice forgiveness. Try to let go of the why or the feelings of manifesting that the world's going to be horrible, right? Because your energy will align to that, and then that's what you're going to see. So fear conscious has been strong in our world, and we have to move on faith. And faith is that God is with us wherever we go. God is within us. God provides for our needs. We have the faith and we believe, right? And it's, even if you don't believe in God, there's still, if you believe in yourself and able to carry yourself through, there can be a shift in this. But coming together in community, regardless of politics, because social justice issues they are political, but they're not partisan, right? So we all want to know that that child is safe from abuse or safe from being hungry. We want to know that the elderly are taken care of, and what is our job to do with that. And so go into this openness of saying, this is my time. And as in the book of Esther, right? So there was an order that all the Jews would be killed on a certain day, right? And Xerxes had done it based on the other guy who told him to do this. And her cousin came to her and said, you know, you're the queen, you have to fix it. She's going, oh, well, you have to be summoned by the king to be heard. And he said, at a time such as this, perhaps that is why you are the queen. She went into meditation. She told them what to do. She met with her husband, the king, and the Jews were saved. They were given the opportunity to fight back. He couldn't take away the order, because once he decreed a thing, he decreed it. Where I'm going is, I'm not talking about fighting back and getting, shovels and sickles and hoes and guns. I'm not talking about that, but I'm talking about stepping up. And at a time such as this, someone in your community needs you. They need your love. They need your support. How can we work together for the common good of all? And the more good that we do, the more peace we will find, and we will overcome. We have, and we continue to build. Come together in your community, loving one another. Distract yourself by making soup for the people that need it, right? Distract yourself by calling someone else who needs to know that they're loved. Distract yourself by doing something good, and the good will open up in you, and you are service and you are a light into the world. This is your moment to be a light brighter than you have ever been. And I see you, you're blinding me, and I'm grateful. Namaste.